Hey friends, welcome back to AI Minds. If you've ever wanted a smarter way to automate complex systems without juggling brittle scripts or endless manual steps, you're in the right place. Today we're exploring Astron Agent, a powerful open source platform that lets you design, run, and monitor intelligent multi-agent workflows that actually scale in real-world production environments. Astron Agent is built for developers, AI engineers, automation specialists, and SaaS founders who need robust workflow orchestration. It breaks complex processes into multiple AI agents, connects seamlessly to APIs, databases, and external tools, supports long-running tasks, and provides real-time monitoring and debugging. Unlike traditional automation tools, Astron Agent is designed for true multi-agent collaboration, making workflows more resilient, scalable, and efficient. Traditional automation usually runs in a linear way, so if one task fails, the entire workflow stops. Astron Agent takes a different approach by allowing agents to run independently while still coordinating with each other. For example, one agent can collect data from APIs, another can clean and validate it, a third can run AI models on the data, and a fourth can send results to a database or notification system. Even if one agent fails, the others continue running, resulting in parallel, decentralized, and production-ready workflows. To get started, open Command Prompt or PowerShell and clone the Astron Agent repository from GitHub. This downloads the source code, Docker files, and example workflows. Next, navigate into the Astron Agent directory, then move into the Docker folder. Start Docker Compose. If you want authentication enabled, use the Docker Compose configuration that includes authentication. If you don't need authentication, you can simply run Docker Compose normally. Docker will pull the required images, build the containers, and start all services, including the backend, agent runtime, UI, database, message queue, and optional authentication service. The first startup may take a few minutes. You can verify everything is running by checking the active containers. Once everything is up, open your browser and navigate to localhost to access the UI. From here, you can create agents, build workflows, monitor tasks, and debug errors. If authentication is enabled, the default login is usually admin with the password 123, which you should change immediately after logging in. After logging in, click on Create and you'll see three options: Creation Prompt, Creation Workflow, and Voice Virtual Creation. With Creation Prompt, you define your agent using a single sentence or choose from recommended templates. For example, selecting a PPT outline assistant lets you quickly set the agent's name, category, and introduction. Let's upload the avatar, and you can then edit the prompt to define the agent's role, tasks, style, and behavior. Advanced options allow you to enable or disable features like internet search, image generation, or code generation. You can also add a knowledge base, opening statement, personality traits, and select a voice that supports multi-turn conversations. Once everything is ready, click on Create. Your AI agent is ready to use or share. For creation workflow, you can choose a custom setup, then visually build the logic by dragging and connecting nodes such as model execution, code blocks, knowledge bases, databases, and other workflow components. Here you define a workflow name, category, and description. You can test and debug the workflow by providing sample inputs, then publish it once everything works as expected. The workflow can be deployed to the Agent Hub or exposed as an API. The Voice Virtual Creation option allows you to build a virtual human agent. You start by entering a name, category, and description. Then choose between a virtual human broadcast or a virtual human call. After selecting an avatar and voice, you define the workflow steps, test the setup, and publish it. Once completed, your voice-enabled agent is ready to interact. From the left-hand menu, you can explore the Agent Marketplace, Plugin Marketplace, your own agents, release management, model management, resource management, and more. Astron Agent strongly encourages open-source collaboration. You can export workflows, publish them on GitHub, and submit them to the awesome Astron Workflow Collection. This makes it easy to contribute to the community and learn from workflows built by other developers. Astron Agent can run locally, on private or public clouds, or inside enterprise data centers. It scales smoothly from small experiments to full production systems. By combining multi-agent collaboration, API integration, long-running task support, real-time monitoring, and open-source community sharing, Astron Agent delivers a powerful, production-ready platform that helps developers turn ideas into reliable, automated AI workflows. Check the description for the Astron Agent GitHub repository and the awesome Astron Workflow Collection. Build your own workflows, share them with the community, and become part of the Astron Agent ecosystem. If this video helped you, hit the like button and watch the next video to discover even more powerful AI tools.